Deleting your Straight Talk account involves more than just canceling service. It's about removing your personal data from their systems for privacy. Straight Talk doesn't offer an easy online deletion option. To fully delete your account, you need to contact support manually. Contact customer service at 1-800-430-0444 or visit a Walmart store to begin the process. First, confirm your service is canceled and settle any outstanding balances. Then, explicitly request that your data be deleted. This process can take 30 to 90 days. Be aware that Straight Talk retains data for up to 7 years for legal and billing reasons, including your name, address, payment info, and usage history. Before deleting, consider requesting a data export under CCPA to keep a copy of your information. Canceling your Straight Talk service, like deactivating your SIM card, doesn't automatically delete your account. Full deletion means removing all associated data, which may involve multiple carriers. Under the California Consumer Privacy Act, you have the right to delete your personal information. Straight Talk must respond to deletion requests within 45 days, with some exceptions for legal or fraud prevention needs. Telecom privacy trends are moving towards easier self-service options. While Straight Talk lags behind, many competitors offer online deletion. Expect future regulations to push for mandatory online portals for account deletion. Privacy experts recommend that you stay diligent and follow up to ensure your data is fully removed. Keep in mind that manual processes increase the risk of data breaches.